Creating a minimal Windows desktop setup. There's something genuinely calming about a clean desktop. No icons, no clutter, no 40 shortcuts you never click. Let's build one, and it takes about 15 minutes. Start by clearing the desktop completely. Right-click on empty space, go to View, and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Everything is still there, just hidden. If you need access, pin your real tools to the taskbar or the Start menu instead. Next, clean the taskbar. Right-click it, open taskbar settings, and turn off Search, Task View, Widgets, and Chat. Set taskbar alignment to left if you prefer the classic look. Then trim the Start menu. Unpin every tile you don't use, one right-click at a time, until only your genuine daily apps remain. Choose a calm wallpaper without busy detail, something dark or muted. Switch on Hide the taskbar automatically for a completely empty screen. Finally, enable dark mode. The result is a desktop that gets out of your way instead of demanding attention.